morning children, I am Alok Kumar from Gyan Niketan, and today I am going to discuss you the number system. This is maths class, so number system, and the subtopic is representation of rational number on the number line. And this I am going to explain you by taking few examples. So example first, I have taken 1 by 3 will represent on the number line, 8 by 3, minus 11 by 7, 2 whole 3 by 8, and minus 1 whole 5 by 7. These are rational. And this rational term I have already explained in my previous class. Once again I am recalling you. It is of the form P by Q. 1 by 3, it is of the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers. 1 and 3 both are integers, and this 3 is not 0. Q should not be 0. Denominator should not be 0. So these all are the rational numbers. Children, first question I am going to represent 1 by 3. So see, what will you do? 1 by 3 we are going to represent on the number line. So children, first of all, you will draw one line. Since this is line, so both end will extend infinitely. Both end extend infinitely. And this arrow indicates this, that the line is going to infinite in both the direction. And we are going to represent 1 by 3. I have taken here one point O, and this O is representing 0. This O is representing 0. And since this is positive rational number, so we will move to the right of the 0. Right of the 0. See here children, suppose this is 1 unit, this is 1 unit, and since denominator is 3, so we will divide this 1 unit in 3 equal divisions. So suppose this is first division, this is second division, and this is third division children. And now I am calling these divisions by A, B and C. These divisions are A, B and C. These are equal divisions. So OA must be equal to AB and this must be equal to BC. And therefore children, OA equal to AB equal to BC, this must be equal to one third of OC, and OC is 1 unit, and OC is 1 unit. So this you have to substitute 1. So 1 into 1 by 3. This is 1 by 3 unit. So from here to O to A, this is 1 by 3 unit. Again this is 1 by 3 unit, and this is 1 by 3 unit, and together all these 3, this will complete 1 unit. Since we are going to represent 1 by 3, so this point A will represent 1 by 3, this B will represent 2 by 3, and this C will represent 3 by 3, it means 1. So children, finally the question was to represent 1 by 3. So point A represents 1 by 3 on the number line. And in the same way, will represent these, and that I am going to explain you. Second is 8 by 3. Second is 8 by 3. And children, this 8 by 3, you convert it in mixed fraction. What will be the value? This will be 2 whole 2 by 3. And this I am going to represent. Draw line. Since this is line, so arrow should be at the both end. Because line will extend infinitely in both the direction, and since this is positive rational number, so one point here I am taking I am calling this as O, and O represent here 0, and this is, I am taking here, this is 1 unit, this is 2 unit, and this is 3 unit, and this I am calling 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Children, this is 2 whole 2 by 3. So till here this is 2. 2 whole 2 by 3, it means this is sum of 2 and 2 by 3. So here is 2, here is 2, we need 2 by 3. So this one division will divide in 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts. So suppose this is first part, this is second part, and this is third part. So children, this point will be 2 whole 1 by 3. This point will be 2 whole 1 by 3, and this point will be 2 whole 2 by 3. This point will be 2 whole 2 by 3. And suppose I am abbreviating this point by the letter P, and therefore finally you can say that P represents 2 whole 2 by 3. P represents 2 whole 2 by 3 on number line. After that, I have taken one more question, third, and this third is minus 11 by 7. Minus 11 by 7. Children, first of all, I am writing it like this, minus this 1 whole 4 by 7. Minus 1 whole 4 by 7. So, minus 1 whole 4 by 7 will this will represent like this. First of all, I am drawing the number line, and this is the negative rational number. So we will move, this is 0. This point I am taking 0. So we will move to the left of the 0. And suppose this is minus 1, and this is minus 2. Children, this is sum of minus 1 and minus 4 by 7. So till here this is minus 1. We need minus 4 by 7. So for this, this one division we will represent, will divide in 7 small equal parts. This is first, second, third, 4, 5, 6, and this point will be 7. So here this is first, second, third, 4, this is 5, 6, and this is 7th part. So this first division will be minus 1 whole 1 by 7. This second division will be minus 1 whole 2 by 7. This third division will be minus 1 whole 3 by 7. And this fourth division, you put a small circle. This will represent minus 1 whole 4 by 7. And I am abbreviating this by Q. So children, this point Q represents, therefore Q represents minus 1 whole 4 by 7 on number line. I am having 2 more questions. That 2 questions I am going to explain you. And I think you can do by 3 questions I have already explained, and 2 I am leaving for you. And children, remember this thing, each and every rational number you can represent on the number line. So the next topic we'll discuss in the next class. So thank you and have a nice day.